Alright, just wanted to show you guys what I got at Walmart yesterday. I actually went to get some BBs for my airsoft gun. This one, the Crossman Stinger. And I looked around and what I saw was 2,500 BBs for 10 bucks. I looked around a bit more and then I saw this, which is 10,000 BBs plus a bonus Colt 25 inside for 20 bucks. So I obviously got this. I looked at the box and it said 141 feet per second, and that was a little disappointing, but that's fine. You can't expect much from when you're already getting 10,000 BBs and a gun for only 20 bucks. So let's get it open. Let's check it out. Alright, here's the gun. Right. It looks pretty good. It's small. It's Colt right there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's Colt right there. It's a small gun. It's alright. It's going to be part of my everyday carry now. It's a small one. It can easily fit in my pocket. So, yeah, so far it's pretty good. It feels good in the hand. So, I'm going to try it out. Alright. Now, let's try some shooting. Alright guys, I set up a can right there, and we're gonna see if my Colt 25 airsoft pistol can actually knock it down. Alright, so here it is. First thing we're gonna do is just load it up. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. It's the gun. 10,000 BBs right there, okay. You push this and pull that. Let's try that again. You pull this and do that. Here it is. It can hold about 15 BBs. I think that's what it said. Alright. Now let's try it out. Just pull it back like this. There's the target.